Hey, if you wonder if the Xiaomi Watch S3 measures the blood oxygen level correctly, I'm gonna show you the small comparison with the pulse oximeter. So for sure, I'm gonna put my hand on the flat surface like this. I'm gonna do this test on the same hand. Let's start with the watch. There we go. Let's start on the watch and let's start on the pulse oximeter. Now it looks that we have to wait for like 20 seconds on our watch. And on the pulse oximeter, I already have the result. That's actually 98% of the SpO2. It's now 97. And on the watch, we got 99. So there's like 2% difference, but I'm gonna actually wait for like few seconds more. Now on the pulse oximeter, we've got 98. And on the device, on our watch, we've got still 99, but I'm gonna check it one more time. Also, if you are interested about other tests, I was also checking the heart rate, and it was actually really close into the pulse oximeter. So now we have still 97 here, and on the watch we've got 99. So there's like small difference. Currently it was showing the 98, so there's like 1 or 2% difference between the pulse oximeter and the Xiaomi Watch S3. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.